We're here on the opening day at MEF18 at LA Live in Los Angeles. We're off to a great start today. We've got a full day of MEF workshops, which kind of showcase the project work going on in MEF. We've also started the LSO hackathon today. Later today, our exhibit hall opens up where we'll have 19 talks involving 50 companies. Tomorrow, our main conference kicks off. We have a world-class speaker lineup this year. We have 2 days of main conferences. For the first time, we have a WAN exchange track that is more enterprise-focused in the afternoon on Tuesday. We have our Excellence Awards on Tuesday evening, which is always a lot of fun, and we wrap up on Wednesday afternoon. So all in all, it's a very, very action-packed event. If you're in the LA area, come on by. We'd love to have you join us.